Good evening, viewers. It's me, Soft Touch or Tino, whatever. So today we have our guests here. So may you please introduce yourself to our TV?
Thank you for this opportunity. The chance to rurimi rwamai nai. Ini zita rangu nonzi Claudius Masviriri. Ndakabarirwa kuChinoi. Asi ndakazokurira kuSasuko kunonzi kuMagunje. Upenyu music ndakautanga ndichiri mudiki. But ndanyanya kuchechi. Church inonzi Salvation Army. Then ndane 18 years old. Ndopa ndakazojoina band Mangoma. Takuchiridza music. Then my first demo ndakari record rire gospel rikapasa ku Grammar Records. But then andazoenderera mberi because my finances I need since I was young. Ndobva ndatombosiya zvemusic vandadzokera kuchurch vandatanga kuimba kuChrist Embassy. Christ Embassy ndakaenda at first nekukumbirwa nzi uimbe kuchurch, you see. But then ndapedzera ndaleader wechoir from 2006 up to 2022. So now this year ndati zvekare ndakutanga jeni rangu remusic, and I want to do it, and I'm going to do it with passion.
Okay, chichaketa kuti muzoti mimi makuda kuita music. Chichakakudrive kuenda kumusic?
Yeah, I know. Sezvo ndataura kuti ndakatanga ndiri mudiki. Pesa panenda kuchechi ndisingaite zvemusic. This thing was in me. You know, some other nights kwaigona kutochena ndichifunga song. You know, I'm supposed to do this song. So that thing, that passion, I'm going into music again.
Like, what inspired you to be in the music industry? What makes you think I want to do music?
I want to do music. I feel that there is a gap that I'm supposed to cover in music industry. Because my voice and my type of music, I think it has got a space in the music industry that I'm supposed to feel.
Okay. So where do you see this music taking you? Like, where are you going with this music?
With this music, I would like to be like ngati taurezva na baba Oliver Mtukudzi, ngataurezva na Mbare Mushongandebvu. That's where my vision is. I'm not going to end here. This is just the beginning.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So my fans are kuzvitambira sei?
Yeah, my fans, they are happy because like now ndikutanga, but I've got some followers. So these guys, they are following me. But on my WhatsApp groups, music, Masviriri chete. Then there are some t-shirts and no, these t-shirts tagadzira music and nakidza. So I'm actually happy to receive one read from my fans.
Okay. Any artists that you have worked with before?
An artist like now, not yet. But this week, takaarrange kuti ndikunoita collab nemukomana wedance wekumabvuka nonzi Janos. So that collab, I think, is going to take off tomorrow or Monday studio.
Okay. So since maybe muchizwana my shows and stuff, you are free to give us what do we call it? Like we can advertise your work for you. We can put it on our TV so that people can see you out there. So you just give us the links, everything. Then we put it out there. We market for you. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
That would be great.
Yes. So today we just want a short acapella. What you do. We want to see what you do. We want viewers to see what you do. So we just want a brief of it.
Okay, I'll just do a small one. Ndakati chirere chichazokurerawo achazokuchengeta. Ndakati vadzidzise vagoziva vazotidzivirira. zorai vana venyu baba. Thank you.
Oh, yay! You heard it. That's our artist here in Zimbabwe. ICGTV. Keep following us.
Mine.
Sharp.